Here are 8 reasons why optimizing your sleep will guarantee you finally achieve your goals. Number 1, this one's pretty obvious. Quite simply, you'll feel great when you wake up in the morning. How many times have you snoozed your alarm? No doubt waking up later than you ideally need to, and then spend the entire morning in a crazy rush trying to get yourself organized, beat traffic, and get in on time. There's nothing worse than waking up feeling tired, groggy, and stressed, and therefore unproductive and not wanting to start your day. Number 2, optimizing your sleep means more deep sleep. Deep sleep is where the body experiences physical repair and recuperation. This means you'll feel more fresh and light in your feet. You'll have the energy you need in order to visit the gym. You'll want to go for that run or complete those tasks that you've been putting off for days, weeks, if not months. Number 3, you'll also see improvements in your performance, your strength, your ability to maintain a low heart rate when on long runs or rides. Improved performance means you can work harder for the same effort, and you'll achieve your goals much quicker and more efficiently. Number 4, optimizing your sleep means more REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep. REM sleep is where we experience psychological, cognitive, and emotional repair. You'll be in a better headspace, less feelings of anxiousness, depression, and that general feeling of being flat that so many people accept as normal and take for granted every day. Number 5, you'll lose body fat. You'll have better control over your choices. More REM sleep means you're going to have more control over your dietary decisions. It means you're less likely to order that Domino's even when you know you shouldn't, but you think, fuck it, I'll start again on Monday. Number 6, bedtime and beyond is when most people unnecessarily gorge on shit food. They eat emotionally and they pass the time by procrastinating in front of the TV or mobile phone screen, with entertainment coming in the form of stuffing junk down their throat. Optimizing your sleep means you'll find it easier to keep yourself in that calorie deficit we all talk about. You'll eat less crap and you'll finally get in shape. Number 7, you'll have more control over your emotions. You're less likely to experience stress as you'll tolerate situations differently. You'll be less snappy around loved ones, more social, and no doubt have a better day all around. Number 8, a lot of the steps and actions I advise also indirectly impact how you think, act, and feel throughout your day. You'll go to bed with a clear head, you won't rely on caffeine, you won't feel the need to snack on sugary foods, you won't be sat in work desperately wishing you could go to bed, and you'll wake up feeling great in the morning. Optimizing sleep is the foundation in which my clients experience results, achieve their goals, and maintain them for the long term, forever. Structured weight training and regular conditioning sessions are very, very important, as are certain changes to one's diet. But alone, these changes burn the candle at both ends. Without optimizing your sleep and therefore your energy levels, focus, control over your emotions, as well as your headspace, you're setting yourself up for failure, as introducing more training and adjustments to your calorie intake will simply result in fatigue, potential illness, and inevitable burnout. If you want guidance and in-depth coaching in order to optimize your sleep, as well as receive your very own bespoke training program, nutrition advice, and 7-day support via video calls and my training app, then drop me a message and we can schedule a free video call.